Still calculating your salary on a phone calculator every payday? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how Excel can compute your exact take-home pay automatically. Manually working out gross pay, then tax, then net pay is slow, and one typo ruins everything. Change your hours or rate, and you have to redo the whole calculation again. Set up 4 columns: hours worked, hourly rate, tax percent, and net pay. Type your numbers in the first 3 columns, then click the empty net pay cell to start the magic. Type equals, then hours times rate to get gross pay. Wrap that in parentheses, then multiply by 1 minus the tax rate. That subtracts tax and leaves your true take-home pay. Press enter and boom, $3,200 net pay calculated instantly. Change any hour or rate and it updates live. Drag down to calculate every row at once. You just turned 10 minutes of payday math into 2 seconds. Most people still punch this into a calculator by hand. Subscribe and I will make you the Excel pro at work.